Hey guys, it's April. I am using the new Cricut linerless transfer tape. I just cut a piece and placed it right here on the top of my image. I leave mine on. I'm using the heat activated color change vinyl, and guys, this stuff weeded like a dream. I love it, love it, love it. I did just scrape that and kind of wrinkled my tape a little bit, but I'm just burnishing on the other side, and I'm just going to see how well this stuff is working. Don't pay attention to my wrinkles because I did that. It's not the tape. I didn't have it on there straight. Let's burnish that a little. This stuff is awesome. So far I am in love. And I probably should have done my other piece first. We're gonna pull another one off. This is my main piece to where I'm going to be lining that one up. So let's cut another piece of this linerless. And oops, I'm making a mess of myself here trying to chase it. I'm still having a hand issue, so bear with me. Cut that off. Using scissors is a little bit difficult for my hands still, but we'll get through it. And I'm just going to line that up right on the top. Be careful not to get a wrinkle in it. But you can straighten it out. You just have to lift it up and pull it off. And it's easy to work with. See, it's not as tacky as the old stuff was. Very nice to work with. You couldn't rearrange it on that other without pulling it up. So I'm just going to flip it over. Give it a good burnish. And I'm just doing this lightly. I'm not applying a lot of pressure here. And then, of course, you always want to peel your liner away from the tape and not try to peel it from the front forward. I have a new blade. I think my new blade, because I can feel it on there, cut a little deep. I'm stuck to the back side of myself here. There we go. So now I'm going to place this on the cup. I want this to the front. Isn't that cool how it's changing while I fiddle with it? Love that. I am going to take my roll, place it there so I can get that cup straight. I'm going to bring that in. I think it's where I want it. No, not quite. So now I have that on, and I'm just going to wrap that around. I am finding this new tape very, very, very easy to work with. Guys, even if you have a ton of the other tapes, I don't have this on quite straight, but you get the idea. And I just press this down with my fingers. This is awesome. It's coming off, the vinyl staying on, no problem whatsoever. I'm going to save this because I believe I can reuse it. And then we're going to pull this one back off. We've already peeled it once, so we're good. Going to put this back down. Make sure you get yours on straight. Let's see. Place that one right there. And I mean, just very light fingertip pressure because I don't have all the use of my right hand yet. But super, super easy to work with. I mean, it's beautiful. I damaged that piece. I'm not going to keep it. I love the tape. I love the vinyl. I'm going to take photos because when I put my hot liquid in here, of course, this bar is going to change turquoise. This is going to go lighter blue, and then my heart is going to go into a lighter pink. I think it's going to be super, super cute, and this file will be available for you guys. So let me put some liquid in here and get some photos of it changing color, and I will get this posted up for you guys. Please, please, please try the heat activated vinyls. You're going to love them. They cut beautifully. They weed so easily. So easy to weed. And you just saw how easily they applied, especially with this linerless transfer tape. Make sure you're grabbing that even if you get the small roll for the joy, just to try it out, guys, you have to try this. It is totally different from any of the Cricut transfer tapes you've ever tried, and it is awesome. Have a great day. Happy crafting.